welcome back to my channel, guys. So this is a kind of vlog. So it's been like very sunny outside, and I think just now I woke up. It's super sunny, guys. So I thought to share some skincare regime, what I do in the morning. So yeah, I took bath and then I'm just gonna do my skincare. Usually I will be doing the vlog for the day. So first thing when I wake up, I just take shower. That's the first thing, because I can't get my sleep off unless and until I do my shower thing. The next thing which I do is I go out to my balcony and I just see how the plants are. So it's very summer, guys. Can you just see? Supremely hot. And this is what the balcony is. So I'm not gonna water the plants in this sun because it's not advisable to even water them. So I'm just gonna wait for the sun to set and then I'm gonna water these plants. But as of now, this is what the balcony looks like. This is ZZ plant, my favorite, and yeah. And then the rose plants. This is yellow hibiscus, palm tree, and this. So let's just go inside and do the skincare, because after bath and after I check out my plants, I do my skincare. My hair is all the way round. I don't know how the vloggers do the vlog in the early morning with the hairs all intact, but I'm just gonna keep it very raw because I'm just gonna show what is the morning routine. So definitely in the morning when we wake up, then after we take bath, we are not that much ready with all of that stuff. So this is my dressing table. So I'm just gonna do the morning skincare, and I'm gonna share what all I do in the morning. So the first thing first, okay, everything is so these are all the tripods that I keep upstairs. So the first thing first, the first is I use toner. So I'm just gonna use this Good Vibes Corrosive toner because I always regularly use toner. I can't function without toner, so I just applied it. You can use any of the toner, guys. If your skin is pimple, acne kind of skin, please use green tea toner. My lips is naturally like this, which is I'm liking it. My scars are literally a bit reducing, but I want them to reduce more. So by the meantime, the toner gets absorbed. I'm just gonna comb my hair because my hair is in real mess. So that's in that, and then I'm gonna start with serum and with a moisturizer. So I use both of them, and also body lotion. So that is always, which is constant. I have already shared the dressing table cut tour long back. Do comment me down if you really need to, if you really want me to do it today as well. So this will be a kind of a cooking vlog also, because I'm just gonna do the cooking vlog also today because it's a Sunday and my hair is like little better. I'm just gonna apply the serum because they are real frizzy today. And by that time the toner is completely getting dried up. Oh, there is no off. Okay. You can use streaks, you can use lemon, anything of your choice, but I'm done with lemon. I've used lemon so much that I'm just not gonna use lemons that much. So I'm gonna go straight away with my skincare. Hair is better and little manageable. I do get hair fall because The pillow cover that I'm using is completely cotton. Do not use any cotton pillow cover. I have already mentioned in the hair care regime these points. And always go for a wooden comb. Don't go for any plastic comb, because that is somewhere going to damage your hair and will give you hair fall. So done with the hair. Next, so there are 3 serums that I use basically. So today I will be using this Garnier Vitamin C. I don't know, somewhere I like this serum a lot. I really don't know why, but yeah, actually I like this serum, so I'm just gonna apply this. It's very hydrating, and also to some extent it do manages my scar thing. So all the essential things I keep in this wooden ka thing. This I got it in Home Center. Yeah, this I got it in Home Center. So I really love to organize in that way. It's very hydrating. So after I apply this, I am not gonna apply any moisturizer, but if I feel really dry, then I always go for this Good Vibes Rose Hip. I'm already like done, like so much I've already used. I will make separate review because I've already used 2 of them and they are just wow. And also I combine this with my Rose Hip toner. So these 2 combinations together is very good for oily skin, for combination skin. So this is my holy grail as of now. I love Good Vibes product to a great extent. So that's in that. I'm just gonna comb rest of my hair because they were so frizzy. Never comb on the frizzy hair because this will definitely lead to a hair fall. Apply some serum. Let the hair be a little softer because I have very frizzy hair. So yeah, be very sure about that. So there is a lot of mess, and then I will straight away move to kitchen. So let's see today what to cook for the day. Okay, so I have used one new soothing thing. It's very summer. I'm using this Nycil Ka soothing body mist. I love this because you get a lot of like irritation and all, so I think that is something which is nullified. It's a normal body mist for prickly heat, rashes and allergy. So I kind of get rashes, so I completely recommend the product. I got it from medical shop. I'm not sure whether they're starting from this, I have this Neelkant and this plant. Here I have the rose plant, I have some money plant and ZZ plant. Here I have, then I have a lucky bamboo here, and then again I have this hibiscus, and then this is the Erica palm, and then again I have the red hibiscus. This is the yellow hibiscus, by the way, and yes, this is the hibiscus. And then I have some curry leaves. This is petunia, ये मोगरे का है. And then I have this one, another rose of mine, and 2 tulsi ji. So this is how the balcony is, and I have a lot of clothes also, so you can see that. So water is like okay, it's very sunny outside, guys. It is like extreme sunny, so that's the reason I am not gonna water them in sun. That's not good for the plants. And Yeah, this is my hubby's dumbbells and everything. This is what the corner looks like. I will show you in the evening. The evening the corner looks really amazing and soothing. I'll remove the clothes and then you'll be able to see that. And let's go inside now. And that was in my inner balcony, and I will move to the other balcony where I do have few plants. I'm done with this and let's go to kitchen. That's the next thing I will go. I'll prepare breakfast come lunch because today I wanted to prepare something different, so probably that will be a kind of brunch. And let's go to the kitchen and check what's in store for the menu. हाँ? पर हिंदी आता ही नहीं, मतलब बनाने जा रहे हैं सोया चंक्स. उसका फर्स्ट प्रोसेस है पानी में थोड़ा इसको डुबो के रखिए, एंड आफ्टर दिस थोड़ा हल्का सा बॉईल करेंगे एंड वी विल सी नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस क्या है. ये बन रहा है करी. मैंने इसमें थोड़े आलू डाल दिए हैं, थोड़े ग्रेट किए हुए प्याज एंड हल्दी, नमक, थोड़ा जीरा पाउडर, थोड़ा धनिया पाउडर. आज थोड़ा बढ़ा दिया मैंने. और एक चीज़, जो लोग ये कोटिंग कढ़ाई या फिर वो यूज़ कर रहे हैं, प्लीज़ ना करें. इससे बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्थ के इश्यूज़ आ रहे हैं. तो मैंने मीशो से ये कढ़ाई ऑर्डर किया है, जो कि मैं मीशो हॉल में बताने वाली हूँ. सो प्लीज़ डू नॉट यूज़ इस टाइप के कोटिंग कढ़ाई और पैन. जितना हो सके स्टील में ही खाना बनाइए, तो ये अच्छे से पक जाएगा, तेल फ्लोट होने लगेगा. उसके बाद हम ये सोया चंक बॉईल करके इससे पूरा वाटर पूरा निचोड़ के रखे हैं एंड देन ये इसमें डाल देंगे.
वो ऐड किंगफिशर का बनाते थे, लेकिन इसमें सोडा बेचते थे. भले ही आप एज ए बियर ना बेच रहे, फिर भी एक ब्रांड के रूप में किंगफिशर काफ़ी हाई प्रोफाइल था.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's very much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.